Santia Adolfo Apaba and Ba Jimmy. Maybe evidence of faith, maybe I as a quick down and put down it's not a to jump on. You can't own some edition of his price, never your own flower about with me this year. You can't educational program and I can marital program. Until marital program, you are office, a diet of I can't be actual who are process of the ghost and so many gossip. Obviously, we channel as a debate ever to us. Maybe as I can say, my sister with him say, what comment I did, I shall become the evidence of faith, maybe a blow in a as I can say, so inform my ocean and so life and a still fashion. And who can show me baby and movie. If you want to look at them, put your action what a new plan, now 7 or more number, no, so every spin as a fact, not a name of your education. I was young, who can say, once we have boy in because I couldn't do anything small. So, father supporting now you because with me, after your door by 455 and I don't 5573 2473. Your time, not as a bad, ever to us. Amin Santia Adolfo Namima Yunayamu Apaba. Over to me are following your social media platform that is Kama Television on YouTube, Kama Television on Facebook, Instagram also. All social media platform follow ye. Name on YouTube I subscribe mommy, share mommy, and like mommy, and a bear evidence of faith able to me a great. Sene ya esunya de bia de bia nyankopon che obi bia wo hwe mesam baba so ana wa hia ma fefefe ene mene apostle Dr. Ebenezer Akwesi Frimpong ana mene no da betutu nko ye be kan baba mu say challenges e wo ministry mo ana ene ye ne no be baba betutu nko mame ma no apaba embrad ni so papa apaba gamya nyamya se uche ni wata de mata opa nyamya se na when apostle Dr. Akwesi Frimpong
Apostle Dr. Ebenezer Akwesi Frimpong. We did kind of as back as Emma and Cocoa, and then one mile in Susun in Tinkun happening. And then I'm phone almost showing committee. Apostle Dr. Ebenezer Akwesi Frimpong. I probably when you're there before. Alison Akwesi Frimpong. The papa and then my all the others who tears here from there is a Santua Frimpong and also the papa and let me check my man papa on the dinner mother. The member of a memory now, when I medical. Now, Apostle Dr. Ebenezer Akwesi Frimpong, I started school help and go out in Samoa. Na mia dom ma meto so ama me St. Martin Secondary School ewo obiam he ya me ya dom so ma me wie ho esanto so we wie the first tertiary ewo International School of Aviation hono me koye cargo handling the courses e kaone GC networking enu mu no na me san ya dom ma ye to so different tertiary CAC University. No, a scholarship a soleno a share that the national de say almost share sending a name was around so on the say almost one na meeting people. Tinyame ya almost my was the no know the sample different tertiary institutions. I don't know. Because we far draw us na Apostle Dr. Ebenezer Akwesi Frimpong sena udi kambo dino we are for the cra and mark and 9. Wow. And member ni na mouse akaba the chains of what the end about so
Matthias okay
we come from a man also may have before and a man so now ha na mete na me so ya don ma Apostle Ebenezer Kwesi Franco Ekana asem no. Yasomo chei. Tena mission house, yes mission house na yeda.
Opa we dey say what dey make challenges no kakra. Nti yem break over kakra. Sa that is the meaning. Nti wa church bi atre. Then also we share the difference between evidence and faith. Sa difference. Sometimes I go near the age. But I mean you said there is a difference. Nti yeah just a difference.
Talking about evidence and faith.
Yeah.
Difference one. Akwa say faith and proud difference one. Okay. So be a gidini na we mu say difference we ya. Ni faith in nana ya bone. Your faith ana ya wa ahomaso. Bebre na nyame kronkron ti wo mu no. Omo fa ahomaso say gidie difference one. When we talk of evidence, say making case atro say mo ya. Eya gidie no ehonum na na tabelde but eno grant mi nkire gidie ni wie. That's Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Osi gidie ni ade aye hu na so hu awoto so. Say den e wo ha but no grant nkire mu wie o. Eno nti obi akwa asori ati gidie nka o pe gidie na timi hu because so wonyi osi wo gidie a osi wo gidie se sini apia ba ka meka se bipo yi se de ntutu etu nipa na kwa asori ka gidie abato hu. Because of that quotation, what first quotation in me, Papa, when we talk of faith, evidence. When we talk of faith, faith is in 3 dimensions, categories. One, Sammy and some any. Niti young talk a giddy Yamimuni, and I did it to be a payer. One, God doesn't fail, He can never fail. One, we yet they want me, and until they may get Yamimu. The second aspect, he can never lie. We have a day won't be that. It was in the pain of a chatter, but on the other. The last one, he can never fail, he can never lie, and can never change. We have a day putting you team, ultimate Sanda, and Gideon and Cassandra Sanima Wilson, and until the Moya day, and found I watched and found your tiny and found will be back up with a supreme. Now, when we talk of evidence, the idea when we did. Eti bebre no o ka se o ba so ka se bia e medi adanse a o hwe se bibia to nye me ne fimans no bedi adanse e pasa wo oni pa ne se oni gidie eti obi wa obedi adanse a once a room ha eno na eme ye hu se we onu nyi gidie onu gina evidence so eti o sum nyame a sa crop evidence no omo na wo sum nyame a wo sum nyame with a condition. If you are worshiping God with a condition the be say na me sum nyame. It's a daily feeling pony for Benjamin. Obidia or Bass or saying Yamaban awo. It was Shana one and Bobejai. So the Panocram Pubana warning about me, sorry. You can one or Shisha. Ha. It's only evidence and faith difference. Woman, maybe see ya. Okay, Matthias. Also for Yansha, trending, I think, said it's the last 2 months or something like that. Ghana for you go one. Yes, future president of Ghana, that's Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. Yes, say gay and lesbian. What do you have to say about this? Me that's the real question. Me ti ama ho meso no. Enye se bia meet me as because on go kuti me. Go do church e ketu. Sa sem no e me de kura se meka. Eti me mfa ntu miti. Ogusa me om se e friend Sergeant today. And to be come on because they are the phone. At the be a taka one or to make canon. It's easily for you to practice. Yes. May and to me and mammy name to me Ramimu. But then I should go to me say, May Senka, minim say TV soon away. Your social media will be a tea, say Kamen Kwan, Nanka president. He had the right, apart from the constitution, because something bad laws. Government think I said to me the Nigerian say where they may say. Sadia when you are there to swaba. So on my meeting as a chef in a quabbon, send a first Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 canon. Near Timia Bray and one says she to them Punaku Quasia, Yameba the Sap of Mani Ale. Kin yet a idea Yamichuadia, Sodom and Gomorrah BCO. It is a so for a transformer to Aba. Any of my move per post transformer to Aba. No more teaching Yakupa with Shua Abba. I did Timothy Yakupa with Shuba Air Money. Hebrew chapter 10 verse 31. Was so a dear Musso be bashing Yakupons, Abu Fushumu. First Samuel chapter 2 verse 25. Also be any Yabonia, Yakubo Bene, Kamafo. So be Yakubo Bonia, one of Bene, Dem Nafo. Job can say, Job chapter 19 verse 21. Was see a graduate mobile of Sinaku side, or see me a mumbo of Sinaku Sasso. I didn't ye, so better Yakubo Fishum. That in the making in a chapter say, Sagi na air coso, Abebre Ayam, Sawunya Boa. Now won't Jimmy ya, Sadi Wunya. Bema Pancha, Bema Tasso de Dene. Me and the summit ya moon said. Now what should I prepare on say? Would ya give for baby? Say you would dinner Ekawa. Not then I will patch. So what they say. I know bounce, ever that's so funny non coba. No one pass me shrasso. The American is almost pa, many American way. Oba abane pa, onion tum. Say Sophobi and Slash Abachinatum. Say government no from a chroma time. Abrofuni weni yaya ebedu eya kufuado mereso onpomo to abano munyintum. Se me masole, se be ma ne be ma be wane na manhira so maginatum. Ni buso mo se abampa info no omo ba no ma bia so duma bi ana obi bia duma asofudu na medi no obi na bia se me meda no da bi nyame na metie no eti Acts chapter 4 verse 19 say o se yenti nipa ana yenti nyame. Acts chapter 5 verse 29 o se yema yen say yebeti nyankopon achi nipa eti ma sem ka mi ka ni tia ne say se ube di nipa achi na bia ma nyankopon say Sodom and Gomorrah, Abufro say a fool, Abufro, Onumufu, Otuanufu, and Yam for the body and channel. Now, main players are there.
You have a problem. Yes, some more. It was for the Biamos and I was saying, Mammy, I did be blasting my neck. Wish I am there. What's up? Yes, tight. Missing that tight, Emma, I'm sorry, before, and I was opinion and rate in this camera. Intimidate air by force.
Yedi kai me das bebre. Ofebi air force. Ofebi so air force. Yeah. But cry air force on mom no, ebedu baby no, o me un say air force. Eyo she. Bi kire mu say minister things say air force. Okay. Osum bia na amemo bia anase ekuo bia no e wo hihye omudi so asoli so obebe mu ayo asoli hihye friend Darkman. Apart from the doctrine of Christ, yes. Asoli enutuku asoli bia ayo obi na be ka kire wo hye omo ne ya otum sa so ye Roman asoli ye presby osori na okoto ayo obi na be ka kire wo that's Darkman. So the bia wo na hihye it is a wood to me join asoli na the best is obi jai. There are 9 things a Jewish man would never neglect. So a Jew will obey. A mubako because of it, a mubako. Every Jewish man will have a scar on his body. And a friend said, Chetia. Eti Nyakupon catch Abraham said, when you fearful now, Muntamubema, you should circumcise. It will be a Jew if you are trying to bear my dear Chandao. That's a scar. Ubenya misumwa sese no yenchete etwa no se na Paul kan Romans no akomam eto obi aso basu nyame no wetwa akomam twetia etira fire yawu yenchete etwa bato etie pa eti two scar ho two se wudi ye waduane sonko se wudi sese ye fa no communion. Yes. Muntimi nka so abaduane Kristo so ma wudi communion.
Communion of grounds, I say, prostitution into me for communion.
I'm saying prostitution into me, but that's the every day. As I said, we are okay. Our day, Bano, Memphis, we show. Program you all, 18 months show. Okay. Yeah, Matthew chapter 26, verse 26-27. Yes, Christo, the Kasai. Only I share the sooner communion. Now we have Passover. Yes. And the starting fee. Then when we talk of communion, that's communion. And then we have Last Supper. Then we have the Lord's Supper. Now, say you can say a communion.
communion ɛyɛ adeɛ nyankopɔn na yɛhyɛ no so ɔno ɔbɛhyehyɛ yi eti yesu kristo ne n'asuafo no kɔ adidi no the last supper no awurade di atwa to Matthew 26 to 27 no ɔse ma mekenka wo kakra wate mpɛsɛ mekenka ne yɛnya hwiw no wɔ hɔ Matthew chapter 26 verse 26 mekenkan ɔse while they were eating, Jesus took bread, gave thanks and broke it, and gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take and eat, this is my body." 27. Then he took the cup, gave thanks and offered it to them, saying, "Drink from it, all of you." Ose mono munyina mono. Somebody else so can you? Or say, "This is my body, this is my blood for the covenant, which is poured out for many for their forgiveness of sin." When the Mishiagu, Amo Bibiara, a bonnet. Now, young Vivia, where you are somebody else so kind, we are better to say you are, Meko into Jetus Kakra, na Mama, after 40 years. Now, Paul so the Canadian, according to 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 25. Nedia never can say, so be quite ready to also no one check. Ekasaya, me pese yet yes, say, and solely a porte, and your Corontas of Pro or the Team Roman Coronto or yet or the Tea Solena Hebrews pen and count. Let us of church when Hebrews pen and count. Can't you be on the coin, but I didn't Corontas of pen will be treated so dear, won't ocean a home here. Ade se na kro to asafo no o me obi a adom nyina mo no mo adom pa o adom a wonni adom nchi kro to asafo but omo ene omase no eda opom gifts nyina o to be tie mi on hwe ye according to Romans chapter 11 verse 29 the gift of God is irrevocable se nyame adom wo mu a inhira no wo so wodi bone kra so be operate ene na asofo no bebre emo yira adom no so gusu yeniti no da so di bone nyame on deda odi adom no ma Satan wanje biemu eti Satan o tumi wanje biemu na mu da no bebusu aten eti okasa asa metro mo to ma dum nyina no omo di bone eti pour the restriction bi akom so enu nti na mo okasa but me bu sase nyankopo asem okasa me moja no obia no no let me that carrot no count. Or me pato no count. God is omniscience, oni bibia. No nim say do that be nama. Aso man bi. Odibi. God na udia e be pata ma. 2. Me say busa asem. Asofo ni bi ni ebim tinka say. Obi boy jama no bi ye bibia nte so eden. Oko communion. Yes. 5. Me busa say. Communion na ye ma no. Obi timi nka nche Yesu moja eye drink ana ya bom pa eguso ya friend wine ana ya bo so mpai nso ni bi kura de ago wo mi busa se wo ko asore ba ho onwale oni be ma na tedem onya no ade ba to mo ma ana mo to no so yale ana bia ogidi akira so bom pa egu nsuo so ma no ogbo na ada ni Yesu mo ja na ade ma no odi pa so walo so communion mo ma nsuo na ogbo pa egu nsuo o ye Yesu moja na no e and yes, what you know, yes, a doctrine. You yes, I sorry, be a doctrine. Yeah, I'm a baby. When we talk of doctrine and the doctrine of the Bible and our Christ, will be also a Christian. We all follow one God doctrine. Okay. I am Yamiasam, do Chiana. No problem. But our doctrine is obey. Maybe to correction. Yabasra collection. Yam to the side, but to the one step. Over to correction, I had the name of a fashion. Obi so dia say ye we ya ye di asa ye mfamatu obi so dia say collection no kasagusu fa beto pop so eso obi ya ne de me oba ma so no a me first doctrine no eye say collection no bompa egusi kasagusu serade na wotwe nyanya me bo no ban with different things give no offering. Okay, so I say what bo no ban ti na me de ba me last offering say erade na wotwe nyina fa me hye umogya ni bɔ me ho ban soroko na wotwi bɔne bi ankame na me samba bie mu a ma sen dia dansa hye odi anyam na odi atom bo bi die no onka ne sa ebi mkra friend first offering silver collection.
Yes.
So what does here? Also silver collection. Eti members no kwa omo de coins no so silver.
Silver collection.
Eti talking about that no. Ana ya say yi enu so fi wa na me che bi say meko intuitors kakra. So what person so nyame asema we call that something said dimension. Oko Bible ni ma e ka bo ni se bebre do ba bi e ka nti asem bi wo ho won se communion won se we afa we one person so Bible na hu no pray no e so far we call something dimension.
Okay.
Talking about dimension is the highest measure of quantity. The highest measure of quantity. The quotation don't say na ka say na quotation don't say to na ka say eno na wo de hwe wo mu say we na ye eno no say few a ne wo san twani den ti na asem we ho na ka sa asem we eti Yesu Kristo na ka say no bi fra wo ka we ya na Paul ka say edi Peter na esu afon ka say so yinti nipa ana yinti na eti Paul ka we ana Yesu so aka we ho na ti na we o se Bible ne pra kai o se bi mu se me opo afa bi mu se Apollo afa mo ya sade na wonam mo ya wonam nyame ana si dan no eti nyame ati na ye bi amen.
Amen. I was here for Muchame home and sugar cake in Amibaya, that's why you made it. Message out of phone now, maybe I do a becan about some challenges are a woman challenges I have a film and son and Yamia do something. Oh, show me our Facebook, I come at television, YouTube, and so I come at television. I subscribe, that share and like it. And put shop up I sound of you. Okay, yeah, share challenges are a one a big something to share with you.
That's it. Asem wakasa. Asem mekaya. I am real. I am real. As in Japan. I know so I'm not make. I'm say challenge. Send us up on the team. And no be ashen. The facility. Say over soon yame. No one for challenges man now. Romans chapter 8 verse 18. Making kakra. Na me mfa mfio emra. Roman 4 manetia ya wotwe mu edi edu awotwe mu. Them the ye ban bebre. Or say I consider that our present sufferings are not worthy comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. Amen. 19 or say, the creation waits in hunger, expectation for the sons of God to be revealed. Amen. Or say, na si prim amania ya femunu yentimi mfa compare ni Nyankopɔn den ahyehama ye. It is sometimes ne ma me femu no na ema me hu pempenso Nyankopɔn den edi medu.
Sama and of one about evidence of faith media. So to make the DNA as a Pukudam and Pukudam, it's not a change for more. You can't abrabum send every share of the Christ in the bay. Baby, I will be out so to me as you are there. Uber to me, I follow Kama TV, YouTube, that is Kama Television, Facebook, and so Kama Television. Maybe I do now can challenges are also put a family and son of baby and parents. Yes, I'm covered, Papa. Yes, I'm all about okay. Yes, I'm for challenges are offering a woman and son of the do something. You see, they able to the upcoming now.
Made us the blue. Son of American. Eti amania me fair be quotation fee. Romans 8:18. Say amania ye fair nya I want children say many nyina yenti me mfa compare ana mfa ntoto enyam sonko nyame ade adisama ye but then times no dey na me opon sa challenges am fam na me me gye to mu sɛ saa time no me gye to mu sɛ nipa mpɛ ma asɛm saa na me fa no baako me gye to mu sɛ me papa kura mpɛ ma asɛm me maame kura mpɛ ma asɛm asɔ kura me wom kura mpɛ ma asɛm because challenges America no fa baabia na pɛmpɛn so menyi mani akodu no ana ama mahu sɛ wo nyame frɛ wa nipa epo nipa yu to kyene ba yakopon no yu to kyene ye ti meken Yesu Kristo obi anim sɛ ya wo no wa Jerusalem or Nazareth ni but Nazareth ye ni kuro bu no kura nyina wo kye ne senko obeku no eti wo kye ni so obeku no pe no ogere fi ho eti ofa kuro bi e frɛ no ya kan say odifu na nkuro eye kapeni ono de oye ni kuro ono ni ye nsentrani bebre eti no beka say e o Luke chapter 10 say awon adwuma me ye wo ya kan say mo kapeni mo wie awon adwuma me ye wo kuro ni mu no say kam ye o style ni sidom a ko mo sa tro ma de because o tena ho chai edu pempe so obeku na so do ko ni kuro no mo chi ni ku no ni nwia no mankasa andi dendi what try so obeku na according to John chapter 7 verse 1 na yeko but who can 7 now say the ni nwia no mpo andi dendi eti obi a obesu nyame no definitely sa challenges no be fam eti sa na make no be fa challenges mu ama sorry ana mi wo ma me ka tell say o ma me scholarship no benim say den ya wo social media so there on be hu because Mecca say I was the youngest person here. Na me was also me ACC a me chrobu. That was 206. It's one captain me the youngest person. Ti me na national ni omo hwe say ka body brass of the say na ma me koy. But yet etuma na wo ye nyina no mu. Me 5 wo nyina bai. Me kan afisen. Mra me start ya me was secondary ni mo no. Na me hu say nyame ene me kasa ti me start say me don ti me kodon e ko kanya me asem don me kodon ko kanya me asem don ni mo a me ko no na me hu say mrante nso ni jon ti na me magado mu na me de omo ko me de omo ko a ye gina ba bi na me ne omo bo mpaya obi ti me kasa e be ma me wo ne say ma bo mpaya ma ne bosum na ono yusu no empenoa atutu to omo ha no to omo man strong one the fa challenges me critical one American say asoma ni won mi say look ano mo te no you see the year omo de omo nko ti me fa to me ho say ene sade a me ye say duma ti me ko te branch bi first branch am ko te no so America no ye ma miska but o hwe bi mo bi omo nya adwuma bia adwuma no mo nya but omo ko a the mom transportation. Then you know me de share me home because na me hu a friend na nyame afrem na me hu say a different cry. Na me mpese me de mo betutu obi. Eti e ba se sa dia meko. Me papa nso na onye nyame sum na se enkremo. Ne papa ko wo meka. Ana me papa na enkremo nso onso. Nyame nso onso. Eti me ma me kura kwa so nso otwe no. Me papa nso na ntwi a yenye ho. Owo bi o show so 1992 papa je best chief farmer award it because obi won antwi a na hu se na me papa city Warren Stein na miswa no Sunday school so na meko se edu se kwasia da me meko asore no menya kwa na me papa asoma se wo fa ase bi se omra no me frɛ me na so okofrɛ me na me fi dem wo ekodu fi a obome na wasan kam se no kohwe na ntwi sabe kohwe na ntwi meka na obi o hwe mo eti ekoba se the sign at the end Saturday e be do Saturday ameka che na nka Saturday no ma me kohwe na Sunday betini akọ asori ti meka che no so de bi me ma nko Sunday no me gale fast balance se me ko no ni ya sa atwe me ban so be sa bo eti edusuma afi na me papa on pese me ko asore pese me tena fi but me papa no o wa do pa me ka me challenge Islam de ne bi yam faton yeah me papa no obi o ya do it is obi a tie mi on tie ne ye bebre fi se o ya do ya eno ano no wa do ye eni Kristo mu ye papa ye wa do ye eni Kristo mu ye papa ye into bracket e bad e bone it's difference wo papa ye ana tenini ye mu tenini ye nyina ye papa benye papa ye nyina na ye tenini obi beka so ye papa but no bu no jaw e ye bone e wo nyame ni ye papa ye ama be ye tenini e wo nyame mu amen eti na me papa no ye adoyi oboa pa sikanfo ne nsem but no ni nyame eti no stop me say eti me bomodin say me you city nso eden ama no you okay bia me be ye aduma no ni nyina na papa do me ba so no pese me ko eti ekodu pempen su bi say se sa na te dia ene mefi me ko bia me balance no me balance no mba pasa mbenye mbreko anu so ni eguso obaye ni nyina ansa ti bi o wan twa be pon obaye so kwa so na ya ele so le ntempa mache ma cha tutu niema bibia pepe no so na me apen ti edu so afi de e ba say CAC fon so omu se na me kanya me asem oso we invite no ana omu ka kire me say fe fon ka kire me say omu pese aso bi invite na me ko because me on person be so for eti omu kura me say na sorry bi anya den entwe me cause one then time na Pentecost so for be friend no Reverend Samoa no eso yo mo payful ni pa mission directors ni na we invite him program kwa no person be so for any solid be a sense of God a house of worship or comprehension kwa omu nyina tina omu dey invite me na me eti say me yes me ko sa na papa stop me bon say ya hye program pa me ko no na papa so am se me go twe na ntwi du amen kwa tina je me bed nkisi ba ni nyina mu no nyame aye bi o ma aye so nyame ka nyina ko si se me papa CAC ni ko bi aso ba ko a se na me ka no me san ko bi ba ko mo man transport but nyame de me ka se pro bi ti your friend Kofisa me nanti fia obi onam kwan su ni me nanti fia Kofisa ko ye personal witness se na me go bi house de ni di kan e wo ukanta no ko ye personal witness enya se na me ni aso no ko ekusie no se mranti aba empe duma no mbre ya me duma na intesa o ye personal witness me wie na starting ministry it one side of my transport o me ko ye aso no wa wi me ko ye fast ye aso no wa wi na ma say fast asa akọ ye kan say ukanta akobi before I be 50 years na bi enso makoma 8 ni nyina wo ye aduma ni nyina wo ye aduma a so for the dano a be a circuit head aso for hihase na sa nyema nyina na meko a me de bisika akọ no me ya oba akọ America ni anka no kwa betimi esi nyame soma me somo nkwan emna be ma bie aso ba akọ ukanta na masa ko bie ba akọ Kofisa na omo ma me transport me makoye na me ye kused makatom so youth no me peso mu nyina omo ba na sole no omo de car na sata so no car no ma twa mi Yesu moja na ko omo de car no eba no ma kun school na ma ye fast 3 o'clock na me fia no me ni yo na ma ko na nto omo so book kused wa ko bi machines ke ka machines agogo ano na me de ye omo mbra ma machines so nko omo de ma omo fa ma o na nko omo fa niema ne mpo mbra me support omo nye ti me wonu mu ye kused no a chance kaka no beba mawie da me ko no sofo ba ko wa nyame na me so odeni no na ne ba no oye CAC mpanfo ni eda so no aso na so na odeni no wa se ma me ko ni pa ti me twen ne ba na me gusu a me kuro me twen ne ba ono pa me ko egusi no o wa bi ye nante fi ono ebedu bi ahase ye so battle ono life ni wo den time the battle if you want and after 6 months ebedu kroma ebedu 2 o'clock anado din nyina ma fa ka na me fa o Vie, this question I may ask, sorry, no. Before Kwan and Makatom say, they say, Many, in Nipa, or my crowd on Masuniame. Say, Mumpa, Mumpobi, Nametete Mame, Uncle Dow, and now say, Mu be a Mufano for 20 Sunday, as on the movie. Saturday, I make excellence as on Slam and Premium. It's me yet make us actually, Omono, and Omia so be got out. It's so Nipa as uncle from an amphimako. And when she and I'm a son, and I'm so as I got teach Mante, Asafo. Got teach Mante, those the same thing. Wabon what me and a mayor, in their challenges I'm a firm. Oh, you baby and sonny, and sonny baby, CSC. Your son the bar, you can't say, Bishop Dr. Anoya, Yame, a friend and baby one. Now, sorry, old room, ha, Yamen, I'm a so. Anna Emma Soleno, it's me, Ebaha. Because Christ is a no naka so for no cra echo. Yana did them Muslim monko. Because Enya Miduma dear. It was with 2 beer for a tear me our shelly. So and so Panada. Was so Yenya Miduma dear, Jai. Who knows? Say, Ayo Yamia Duma no yampa. Now so Litiana. Yamen Francho. It made me so be a Yamduma. A Yamime. And so, and name a passion set only punch my one. I'm over to me up again.
People at home and the upcoming ministry, that any trainer ever been with me.
Out of 4, any no more shaming. A football I can't percent make kindly say. If you want to become a leader, but the best one say what. You can never become an effective leader. One suma, it means Ubi Biala or Shemi. So, person a leader, who you decay New Year's of war, who you saw the song. The brain dimension, the brain dimension. So, one suma, who you mean now. But that's the brain. Yedi kan beda Nyankopon asibiri ewo nedumadia watimi ama abaso na yedi ahyehyeso ne etoso biem na mesanda mi akasa me papa mi humaja Reverend Dr. Bentu ese wo USC akadumadi ko kan media ene me graduate asofo me Bible school show asofo tadi ka or count but or citizen o US o mhia ne pa o yinchia kese echia no ni se obetene nka o hwe utie so yinchia kese echia no ba bi owo se Nyankopon so nya ne kese o mana adom emu so ye kan bi mi ankasa ho kafo the just from home, and also for that feels so the Sunday, and she guess here, a suchia, a soft phone before Kudama, Omoa, and I feel entry vehicle. That's end time restitution ministerial council, soft phone before a soft phone, Omkakamuna, Chakas here, which your Miasha Funina, any end time as a Fuma. Omo Miami, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Kenya, Barbados, Midwest, UK, within church.
Evidence of faith, media every Sunday, 7 p.m. sharp. And then as we put down, and we put down, it's not selection. The camera bones the baby to the upcoming back. It does our ministry that I answer. I think I will papa Sabu to what's your ministry. The person will remember evidence of faith. So any scholarship here, come and support us. Go to me after 0543 455 853 and 055 24473. Between the Mamea, the Yama, Shami, now from Slim Queen. I have an ambiguity in case Yama, Robert Macama, Naku Show. That's the neck essential.